Hi everyone. Hi Bhargavi ma'am. See, hard work and dedication pays off. Can you share me the questions? Were they doable? क्या क्या questions थे? रेशो तो आई रिमेम्बर, मैंने अभी जो मुझे याद है रेशो और डेप्रिसिएशन से काफी न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए। ऑल टुगेदर न्यूमेरिकल का एक नया ही अवतार देखने को मिला है and it is this time that numerical have been asked for approximately 25 marks this time. 25 मार्क्स के न्यूमेरिकल पूछे गए हैं। आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट जल्दी से एक बार क्वेश्चन थोड़े से बता दीजिए सो दैट जिनका थर्ड शिफ्ट है वी कैन हेल्प देम। अभी भी हमारे पास 15 मिनट है टू हेल्प ऑल दोज जिनका पेपर है। लीवरेज रेशो वाज अगेन आस्क्ड, आई थिंक इट हेल्प्ड। लीवरेज रेशो हेल्प हुई बिकॉज हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस करा था लीवरेज रेशो इज योर डेट टू इक्विटी रेशो, दैट इज योर डेट इक्विटी रेशो। थैंक यू नीरज सर, बट कैन यू शेयर द क्वेश्चंस, वी कैन हेल्प अदर्स एज वेल। जल्दी जल्दी हम लोग स्कोर डिस्कस करेंगे बट प्लीज जो भी क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में आता जा रहा है जल्दी से एक बार शेयर करते जाइए सो दैट वी कैन हेल्प जिनका एग्जाम है थर्ड शिफ्ट में। भार्गवी, कैन यू रिमेंबर एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम रेशो और क्या पैटर्न था, क्या फॉर्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चन था? जल्दी से एक बार मुझे बताते जाइए प्लीज। लेट्स हेल्प ईच अदर टू ग्रो फर्दर। जल्दी जल्दी बताते रहिए। बैलेंस शीट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन था, एसिड टेस्ट रेशो। ओके, तो ये तो रिपीट ही हुआ है। सो एसिड टेस्ट रेशो ये सुबह वाली शिफ्ट में भी था। फॉर्म ए एंड फॉर्म बी आया था, बैलेंस शीट आ गई बैंक की, ठीक है। बैलेंस शीट एंड पी एंड एल, दिस इज योर बैलेंस शीट, दिस इज योर पी एंड एल। एसिड टेस्ट कॉल्ड एज, ओके, एसिड टेस्ट रेशो इज कॉल्ड एज क्विक रेशो या फिर लिक्विडिटी रेशो, वट एवर द नेम इज। ठीक है। एंड ड्यू क्वेश्चन, ये न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन था, फॉर्मूला क्वेश्चन था? बॉन्ड थ्योरम रिपीट हुए थे। सी इफ यू कैन मैनेज, प्लीज डू वॉच मॉर्निंग सेशन, उसमें बॉन्ड थ्योरम हमने अच्छे से करे हुए हैं। एन्युटी ड्यू क्वेश्चन, प्रेजेंट वैल्यू, जी ओके, प्रेजेंट वैल्यू निकालनी थी और फ्यूचर वैल्यू दोनों का ही क्वेश्चन था। ईएमआई वाईटीएम तो ऑलमोस्ट मॉर्निंग का ही पेपर आ रहा है, शिफ्ट रिपीट हुई है, मल्टीपल क्वेश्चंस। बीआरएस के 2 क्वेश्चंस थे। हाउ वाज योर स्कोर इंडियन फूड स्टोरी? ओके, सेकंड शिफ्ट में एन्युटी एंड ऑर्डिनरी एन्युटी का क्वेश्चन नहीं था। ओके, ईएमआई का क्वेश्चन था भार्गवी। या फिर डेप्रिसिएशन से क्या क्वेश्चन था? अच्छा, I've received few questions. नहीं, अच्छा ये फर्स्ट शिफ्ट के हैं. Depreciation 5 questions. Were these numerical or theoretical? Theory question था. ये पवन सर सेकेंड शिफ्ट का क्वेश्चन है. भार्गवी, कैन वी कनेक्ट ओवर अ कॉल? करंट रेशियो, क्विक रेशियो, न्यूमेरिकल 2, थियरी 3. ओके, इसमें 2 न्यूमेरिकल्स वर देयर एंड 3 थियरी क्वेश्चंस वर देयर, है ना? वर दे इजी? ओके, numerical on WDV. Numerical on WDV. So the questions were easy or were they difficult, Bhargavi? Costing methods were asked. AS10 and AS2 was also asked. So AS10 is your PPE and AS2 is your inventory valuation. Many congratulations. AS1 was also asked. Disclosure. Okay, any specific session that was held in the last 7 days, you would recommend someone at this moment, at the last moment, to go through it. Because see, you are the one, you have seen the sessions, you are the one who are watching my session, you are watching the exam. Any session that you would like to ask someone to watch at this point of time there when they are doing their final revision. Concepts and conventions. Bhargavi, were there the questions related to bond theorem in your paper? Concepts and convention. Any specific concept and convention that you remember? Okay, so you would say that numerical session was the one that you would recommend someone at this point of time. Because their numerical is approximately 25 questions. So 3 sessions, yesterday's session, morning session and the numerical session. Okay. Match the following. Okay, I understood. So concept and convention, match the following question came. Okay. No, ma'am, not a single. Oh, no, not a single question from bond theorem. I think I have not written it. हाँ, ठीक है. Okay, so now your second shift was module D, correct? You are saying what was the coverage of module D in second shift? Cost accounting, other name of quick ratio, okay. Five questions from depreciation done, other name of quick ratio. Module D, any question you remember? BEP, PV ratio, margin of safety, contribution, cost accounting, or module D you meant bittersweet. Cost accounting means branches of accounting, or module D you meant? Okay. So okay, I understood. So you were telling me that we have done one question in the class in which when the current ratio was constant, CVP, this is cost volume profit, CVP related to CVP ratio. This is module D. So many questions on quick ratio. Okay. I understood. Bhargavi, do you remember that? Are you talking about that question of inventory case study that we have done? Oh, understood. That question that we have done. Was it the same? The value were different or the values were same? So question where from let's say current ratio was given something something, liquid ratio or quick ratio was given something something, and then you were required to calculate the value of current asset. The difference was in my question yesterday working capital was given. In the question asked today in the exam current liabilities were given, right? Okay. Any other question? Mukul, you remember? Mukund, sorry. Mukund, if you remember. Module D, any question? Module A, any question? Let me ask you, did you find any question from Lee's? Was NDAS 110 in the, was asked? NDAS 116, NDAS 7, AS 3, AS 21, AS 18, agency theory, stakeholder theory, risk return trade off. Then diversification, opportunity cost. Concept and conventions. Any concept and convention that you could recall? Achha, it was a match the following question. Okay, okay. So there must be 4. Business entity, right? Private company, minimum member. Okay. Very good, Ansh Malhotra. Lovely score. 2 questions from branches of accounting. Which branches? That we have discussed today itself in the morning, right, Harshit? Which branches? Was it stewardship, materiality, cost, business, realization? Thanks, Bhargavi. You're helping me a lot. Materiality, cost, business, realization. Your current ratio is 1:1. Quick ratio is 1.5:1. Current asset is 5. Right? Current asset is 5,000. Then what are we supposed to find? Current asset 5,000 है. Current liability निकालना था. Oh, wall clock question came क्या? Just tell me. Oh, very nice. Were you guys happy when you saw that question? So Mukund, was it exactly the way we have discussed? Wall clock 1. So you were supposed to tell whether it is a revenue expenditure or now I'm happy. See, I told you now, my sixth sense works like that. During even the classes, I kept telling you wall clock example. Then again yesterday also in the marathon, I covered it. What was the twist? Can you tell me? Asset is purchased for 5,000 by giving. Okay. India is 116. Very good. I told you even yesterday India is 116 is important. So Bhargavi, was the answer materiality or it was revenue? It was revenue, right? What kind of expenditure? Okay, means the effect on your asset liability capital. Okay, understood. So all those who have scored good marks, I'll discuss with you. I just want to help our other bankers. Any other question that we can help others with? Risk return trade off was there. Then TDS on saving account. Okay. More than 5 questions on depreciation. Very difficult concept based. So what it is supposed to be? It is supposed to be concept based paper. That's what we keep telling you. And this doesn't seem to be so much concept based. They've asked India is 116. Match the following. All you have learned: risk return trade off. See, you call difficult paper where when you know everything and you're not able to score 49, 50. Oh, very good. HUF, LLP, body of individual, which is considered as a person, individual person. That was the question. Module C का question है ये तो. HUF, LLP, body of individual, which is considered as person. Very difficult, scored 71. So easy it would have come, you have scored, you were supposed to score 151, huh? Definition of a person. I think definition of person is module D क्या income tax वाला chapter. Okay. Very good score, very good score. Mukund sir, Gaurav sir, Bhargavi ma'am, realization concept, business concept matching. Okay. Section dash TDS on saving. So you're saying section based question was asked. Anything that you felt was out of syllabus? Anything that you felt it was out of syllabus, it was not there? Government grant covers. Oh, acha. Subsidies, royalty. Oh, understood. What was the question? All these were ratio based question on debt coverage ratio, debt service coverage ratio, right? Rectification also question was there. Debt equity ratio, then asset test ratio, Current ratio, stock turnover ratio. ATTTA. From errors, there are 3 questions. Bhargavi, anything that we have not covered or we have covered? Something from what we did in the morning class, was it a journal entry or errors or theory question? Sweatshirts were asked. Section was asked or direct question was asked? Ankur, there is supposed to be 4 options and I don't know what is the 4th option. So body of individual is definitely, now that I really need to know the question for this. Okay. Questions were little bit twisty and theoretical were little bit lengthy. Okay. Just give me a moment. Twist in terms of language, right, Mukund? So, I would like to ask, was this question related to your YTM? There was a question. Now, when you talk about as per the income tax, the term person will include your individual HUF, company, firm, LLP, then your association of person, body of individual, local authority, and artificial judicial person. Your HUF is also there, LLP is also there, body of individual is also there. Was the answer all of the above? Modified duration was also asked in this shift, or was it morning shift? Now see, all those who have cleared your exam, I think the second shift, third shift would have started now. Please share your score and you might find a shot also. Please do share your shots, your score over there so that you know I can have it all at one place. Hi, tell me. And now it's time that you start focusing कोई बात नहीं अर्पिता. See 50, 54, 58, 78, 80 all are all means one thing, right? So I would say many congratulations for whatever you have scored. It's best. BOE entry. Which one? Endorsement, discounting, rebate, accommodation bill, anything? Special thanks to you. You guys did it, right? आप लोगों ने पढ़ा वो बहुत बहुत अच्छी बात है. मेहनत करी इतना टफ स्केड्यूल होने के बाद भी. Keep sharing your score. Hitesh sir, good. Vinay sir, Neeraj sir, Anil Kothari sir, Arpita ma'am, Sandesh Jadhav, Saloni. Very good, very nice. All of you. Great. See, now it is Apla. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm really sorry. Apla Naidu, right? Congratulations. Great. Very good. Great. 54. Very nice. See, now it's high time that you start with your RBWM. See, this JIB CIB is, not a day game. It's an entire series that you go through, right? Aman Sharma, very good. Denominators of few ratio. Understood. What comes in the denominator? Yes. They have asked in the morning also for net profit ratio. Thank you, sir. So that's a cute score. 71. Very nice. Gauransh Wadhwani. Very good, sir. सलोनी मैम आप पास नहीं हो पाओगे फिर मुझे ऐसे ना करो. But what I want is RBWM class is starting from today 5 p.m. onwards, right? So take some rest and right, it is really important that you keep yourself fit, healthy. So take rest. 5 p.m. RBWM revision batch is starting from today onwards, and all those who have cleared JIB by completing the JIB, again a big congratulations, because that is a huge success, right? Aarti ma'am, she is not taking the analysis at the moment. It is obviously a very tiring day for all of us. So but she will be attending it in evening. So what she is going to do, she'll be merging the second and third, and that she'll be taking together. Okay. So your analysis for Aarti ma'am will be in evening. I think it would be post 5:30ish na. She'll come and then she'll take at evening. So second shift and third shift. Anything specifically you want me to convey her, Swati? I remember you were there in English medium yesterday marathon, right? Depreciation, sum of the year digit method, yes. So what do you think? First shift was easy or first shift was tough or your shift was tough? You could see the power pack batch is starting from 11th May, that is today itself. The timing is I think 6 to 9 it is. You can just check this once, I'll show you. You can reach over here at this point of time, and if at this point of time you're only left with one subject, this is the bilingual course. You can enroll in for this. Just have to click on apply, right, and you will find discount. The price is 729, further discounted by something 34 something rupees, 35 something rupees. So this will come at 600 something. First shift is tough, second shift is lengthy. Okay. So that is how this batch is supposed to be. Also, the English medium batch is also starting today. So your English medium batch of Vishal sir, revision batch is starting from 11th May itself, and it is also in evening. You can again the same process buy now, and you know, no, there's no normalization, nothing like that. Akash Gurjar sir, that's a good score. 59 is really good. Okay, and if you have cleared your entire JIB paper, then we have even CIB batches starting on. But I would request, if you are planning to enroll for CIB in that particular time, right, in that particular situation, I would request you to, in case of CIB, go for a call, talk to the sales team person, let them explain you whatever the batch is, because for CIB it is the increment batch which has books. Thank you, Swati ma'am. Definitely I can understand it. So over here, this is the number where you could call, where you can check, and they will explain you for CIB each and everything. Okay. So finally, our 3 back-to-back sessions of the marathon, the numerical session that we did, and the morning session. The morning session has so many questions, like bond theorems were as it is, they were covered in the exam in the first shift. Then current ratio question that we did yesterday was asked on the same grounds. A rounding of question came. I was thinking of this, you know, at this time also. "101, ma'am, these people in comment section." Who is forcing you to say? Okay. So in case you need any help, you can just call at this number for inquiry of your CIB classes, right? Because the CIB will need more time now, because it's a higher level of exam. It's all advanced learning now. The real learning starts from here. So you can just call at this particular number and get the details, right? Thank you for watching. All the best. All the best for your RBWM exam. In case you need any help, just let me know. Yes, 50 is pass. Deepak sir, it is pass. Also, please, I will be sharing a link of the short. Please do not forget to update your score there. Thank you.